When customers search for local plumbing services and come across your listing, what's their first impression of your company going to be? If your logo is not well made or just looks like some clip art with text, they're going to assume your services are sloppy and skip over to the next plumbing company. Don't lose business to the competition because of something as simple as not having a well-made logo. Placeit's plumbing logo makers are an easy way to make sure you make a great first impression and give potential customers confidence that you're going to provide the quality services they're expecting. In just minutes, you can create a professional plumbing logo without having to hire an expensive designer or having to know anything about design. Let me show you just how easy it is. To make our plumbing logo, we want to go to the top left-hand side where it says Logos and click on that. Next, we want to go to this middle section that says Let's Make a Logo, and then click on All Industries. That's going to give us a drop-down of all the industries that Placeit has logo templates for. And we just want to slide down to where it says Plumber and click on that. Here we're going to see all the different templates that Placeit has for plumber logos. One other thing we could do is right here in the middle where it says company name, we can type in our company's name. Let's say it's Royal Flush Plumbing, and what Placeit is going to do is generate previews using all these different templates with our name in them, so we can get a better idea of what they're actually going to look like, and then we would just click on one to continue editing. So once we've picked out a template, we can begin to edit it by going over to the left-hand side where we have our different text options, and we have these little text boxes that represent each line of text, and to edit them, we just click on any one of these and start to remove text, and we can add it back. So notice that as I make any change, the preview updates in real time, so that makes it super easy to see what the final result is going to look like. In each one of these text boxes, we have two little numbers, and what they represent is the first number is the number of characters that we currently have on that line, and the second number is the maximum number of characters that are going to fit on that line. So just something to keep in mind. To the left, we have a little check mark. If I click on it, we get rid of that piece of text from the design. And to add it back, I would simply click on it again. Just like that. Below, we have the font picker button. If I click on it, I get a drop down with all the different fonts that I can choose from for that line of text. So to change it, I would just click on any one of these, just like that. And there we go. To the right, we have the color picker button. If I click on it, I get a bunch of preset colors to choose from. And to set any one, I would just click on it, just like that. If I click on more, we get this little window that lets us click and drag and basically choose any color that we want for that piece of text. We could also input the hex code for a color right here if we happen to have that. And once you're ready to actually set the color, you just click on choose. And there we go. So let me go ahead and actually get rid of plumbing from the first line. I think I want it on the second line instead. So I'll just add it there. And I think I'll change the font for the second line as well. Let's see, I think I want to try this one here. There we go, that looks pretty good. I'll leave the colors as they are. And we'll change this third line here to say since 1963. I'll leave the font and the color as they are. And next we can move on to the layout. So we have a couple of different options here. We can choose to align everything to the right, align everything to the left, center everything, or just try to take up as much space as possible with our graphic and the text. So a bunch of different options for each one of these templates. I think I like the right aligned version the best. Next we'll move on to the right hand side where we can choose the accent color, which is this white here on the wrench, the main color, and of course the graphic. So we can click on any one of these, but I do think I actually like this design, so I'll leave it as it is. And finally we can choose the background. So I'll click on that, and once again we get the same color options for the text, and I think I'll try a nice yellow. All right, and let's see, I don't like the way the white looks on the yellow here. We can barely read that, so I'm going to click on the color for that. Change it to black, see what that looks like. And that looks pretty good. So once you're ready to download your design, you simply go to this top section here that says download, and you click on that. You get this window that gives you the image format, so it's going to be a PNG image, and it's going to be 4000 by 4000 pixels. Once you're ready to download, you simply click on purchase, and you follow those steps. And there you have it, a great looking logo that gives your plumbing company a professional image and helps you stand out from the competition. Placeit also has flyer makers that make it easy to create attractive flyers to help you promote your services around town, and business card templates to help you network like the pros and make it easy for customers to refer you to their friends and family. With Placeit's unlimited subscription, you get unlimited access to all these tools and so much more. Make your logo, attractive flyers, business cards, and even ads for only $29 a month. It couldn't be easier to brand and promote your plumbing services like the pros. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a Placeit unlimited subscription and beat the competition today. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more videos and tutorials on how to promote your plumbing business with Placeit.